Launching an LMS website like Udemy or Coursera may seem like a monumental mission that involves a lot of coding, finding the right plugins and themes, integrating this service and that service, and basically just something that's best left to experts or big corporations. But did you know that with Cloudways and Lifter LMS, you can launch a fully functioning LMS website and start teaching hundreds to thousands of people online within minutes? Yup, with one-click operations, you can get both the convenience of high-performing managed WordPress hosting and the power of Lifter LMS's learning platform solution. Want to know how? It's simple. Go to Cloudways plus Lifter LMS landing page and click on Launch Lifter LMS for free. Sign up to Cloudways and click on Start Free. Now just select the server with Lifter LMS Infinity Bundle, name your application, select the server size, your ideal location, and click Launch Now. Since you get a free 3-day trial, you can take the server for a spin without any commitment or providing your credit card info. Isn't that cool? Now, wait for 5 minutes while the tech wizards inside the platform get your server up and running, after which you'll be able to share your knowledge with anyone who has access to your website. Oh, there you go. Your server is ready. Simply go to your applications now, launch your learning platform, customize the website to your liking, and you're ready to conquer the learning space. Ready to use the premium version? Great! Use the code CLOUDWAYS to get 15% off your Lifter LMS premium license for an even better experience. See how easy that was? Go ahead, try it yourself.